Phase 1 of voting is underway in Jammu and Kashmir's assembly elections. We are going to be tracking that closely for you. That and a lot more right here on WION World is One. I'm Shivan Channa. Let's get you started with the headlines. Voting underway in 24 constituencies across 7 districts in the first phase of polls in India's Jammu and Kashmir. First assembly elections in 10 years. Republican president candidate and nominee Donald Trump says he will meet Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi next week. This as President Joe Biden will host leaders from Australia, India and Japan this weekend in Delaware. Hezbollah says 10 of its members killed in pager explosions across the country. More than 2,700 people injured. Lebanon vows to punish Israel for these attacks. Members of Bangladesh's opposition party BNP rally in capital Dhaka calling for fresh elections. This as interim government grants army magistracy power, eligible officers to serve as executive magistrates. Diddy Combs pleads not guilty after being charged with racketeering, conspiracy and sex trafficking. Indictment accuses the superstar rapper of engaging in decades of sexual abuse of women.